Happy Cinco de Drinko. Yeah, that's it.
Let's do a shout out to Lori's mom, Maddie's mom.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Chic Vids.
What up?
Okay, so for those of you that do not know, we have an Instagram at Tipsy Taste for our drink and our food recipes, y'all. So get yourself some food, get yourself some drink. All right, so right now we're about to drop the recipe for, what is it? Blackberry Prosecco Margaritas. Call it what you
I
want.
already taste tested some of it. For the drinks because thanks to Lori's mom. Maddie's Lori.
So you can tell they were good, because here they are, guys. All right, so check out the recipe. Let us know what you think. Drop in the comments the next recipe we should do. And thank you, the Today Show, for showing us the recipe. Happy Cinco de Drinko, y'all. Chic Vids. All right, guys, check out the recipe, and here you go.
We're doing it right now.
You're welcome. All right, here we go. Blackberry
As you can tell, I already tried
Prosecco.
it.
We in this. Blackberry Prosecco Margarita.
Happy Cinco De Mayo, y'all.
Actually, that's really good. I don't know why I made the face I'm used to.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
My drinks are usually really bad, so cheers. All right, guys, check out more of our cooking and drinking recipes on Tipsy Taste. Subscribe. We're gonna have more quirky cooking videos.
More to come, ladies and gentlemen.
We in quarantine, y'all, so we eat and then we drink.
Subscribe to the bell
tribe.
button. Like the video.
Now we eat the blessed fruit, y'all.
The forbidden fruit.
U.S. intelligence officials say they believe the virus is not man-made or altered,
That's so.
but have not ruled out it could have leaked accidentally from a Chinese
Chic
facility.
Vids out.
Antioxidants.
Just last
Subscribe
week,
below.
China's
We gonna go
executive
recover,
vice
y'all.
foreign minister